Today I'll be opening up the Disney Fantasy Flights mystery pins. So these were released in August of 2025 and they are available in the parks for $44.99 per bag, and there are 5 pins in each bag. This is a 16 pin collection and the pin designs feature various Disney characters flying in front of a cloud. And this is an interesting mix of characters. There's a few of them in here that looked familiar to me, but I couldn't remember where they were from, so I did have to look them up. So the pin designs that we can get are Tinkerbell, Peter Pegasus from Fantasia, and Stitch. We have Zazu, Baby Pegasus from Hercules, and Zipper, who is from Chippendale's Rescue Rangers. We have Accordion Owl from Alice in Wonderland, Winnie the Pooh dressed as a bee in Archimedes, Peter Pan, Spike the Bee, who is in some older cartoons, and the Magic Carpet from Aladdin. And then we have Sir Hiss, Ray, and Iago, and then finally Dumbo. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 2 bags here to open up, which is 10 pins total. So I will not be completing the collection today. I got these from the Disney Store site and they were only allowing 2 per customer and they were sold out within 5 or 10 minutes. So I would prefer to have more bags than this for this type of unboxing, but I only have 2. And as far as the pin designs here, I mean, it would be cool to collect them all, but the ones I want the most, I think, are Tinkerbell, Peter Pan, and I think the Winnie the Pooh one is really funny because, I don't know, even if Winnie the Pooh puts a bee costume on, I don't think he's going to fly. So that one's great. So let's get into these, and I can tell they are loose in the bag, so they're not in their own bags in here. So yes, they're all loose. So let's see what we get with pin 1. And I don't think we're going to be able to tell in the back because I think the cloud design is all kind of the same cloud. And this one is Sir Hiss. So we have Sir Hiss, who is the snake from Robin Hood, and he is inside the balloon. That's awesome. Very cool. And I think they're all in front of the same design cloud, but some of the characters might come off of out of the side of the pin a little bit. Yeah, like this one, same cloud, but we have some things coming off the top and the bottom. And this one is Archimedes. Archimedes? Archimedes. Is that how you say it? Yeah, that's how you say it. So this is the owl from Sword in the Stone. That is pretty cool. Looks like he is about to land. And the next one is, we have Stitch. So I don't know if Stitch can fly, but he is in his cape and he's got his mask on or something on. Looks like Batman on his head. I think I remember that scene from the movie. It's been a while since I've seen the movie, but I do recall that. That is really funny. I like that one. Stitch there. We got 2 more in this bag. And this one, this one's longer here on the back. And this one is Zazu. This is Zazu from The Lion King. We've got his colorful beak. He's got his blue feathers and white feathers. Cool. And then the last one from bag 1, we have the Magic Carpet. Nice. Got the carpet, blue, a little bit of red, purple. Very cool. All right. Well, we got those 5 from bag 1. So let's see what we get here in bag 2. So now we can start seeing some doubles. And the thing you want to avoid the most is a duplicate bag. That's just not cool. And this one, from the back, it looks kind of similar, but I think a lot of these might be similar. Well, from the back, it actually looks like Zazu. And it's Zazu. Uh-oh. So we have another Zazu. No duplicate bag, please. Ooh, this one's different. Look, this one has all kinds of things sticking out the sides. Oh, wait, no. No, this is the Magic Carpet, I think. It's the Magic Carpet! Oh, no. Oh, no. All right, let's see. This one from the back. I don't know. This one might be new. It is. It is the Accordion Owl. So this is one where I didn't know. I was like, what is that? An owl wrapped in an accordion, but he is a character in Alice in Wonderland. Very cool. So hey, at least we didn't get a full duplicate bag here. And our next one is, oh, we got another Archimedes. Wow. All right, this is not a good unboxing. This is why you need 3 bags or 4 bags. So we're down to 1. So our last pin in this unboxing is, oh, it's different. I can see it has like antenna on the top. So it's definitely different. And it is, hey, Winnie the Pooh. All right. So we have Winnie the Pooh in his bumblebee costume. And I guess that gives him the ability to fly in the clouds. That's awesome. So that is one of the ones I wanted. Yeah, I think the magic carpet one's pretty cool too. So there we go. So I got, what did I get? 7 out of the 16. So yeah, with only 2 bags, you can't make a whole lot of progress on these. So I'll probably have to have someone pick me up some more bags so I can get a little closer. So those were the Disney Fantasy Flights mystery pins. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite that I unboxed here. So my favorite out of these 7, it's probably Winnie the Pooh. I just think that's a super cute pin design with Winnie the Pooh dressed as a bee and raising his hands up and he's in the clouds. So that is my favorite here. Followed closely by the magic carpet. I think that's kind of cool because you don't see the magic carpet being on a pin all that much. So that one's pretty neat too. So this unboxing was, it was okay. I had 10 tries and I got 7 out of those 10 tries. So that's not too bad. Got 3 doubles. But when you look at the overall picture of getting 16, I'm only 7 out of the 16. So I'm still missing 9. And the 9 I'm missing are Tinkerbell, Peter Pegasus, Baby Pegasus, Zipper, Peter Pan, Spike the Bee, Ray, Iago, and Dumbo. So those are the 9 I still need to find. So I think it's fun to try to complete collections like this. So I'll probably have someone pick up some more bags of these from the parks for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.